Hi folks, in this video we're going to be looking at outcomes 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4 of the Factors Impacting Performance unit within the National 5 PE course. For when we're looking at outcome 3.2, this is basically asking pupils to evaluate the effectiveness of the programme. So in outcome 3.1, they will have monitored their performance through using a variety of different methods. And in this question, pupils should state clearly what their initial results were. So for example, where they were at the start of the training programme, it might be that they could only perform 40% of their smashes effectively, and that through monitoring their performance, through using the iOS on an ongoing basis during the development programme, they're able to see their improvement, and their final results were that they were then able to perform, for example, 65% of their smashes successfully, and then evaluate how their final results actually relate to the target which they set themselves at the start of the development programme. This will allow pupils to clearly state how they knew their plan was working, and allow them to comment on any changes they made to their plan if their plan wasn't allowing them to make the progress that they wanted it to. Now moving on to look at outcome 3.3, pupils are asked to provide evidence to support the evaluation they've made. They're asked, how did your performance at the end of the programme compare with your initial results? So pupils should refer back to the whole programme, speaking about what their development needs were at the start and how developing this particular aspect of their performance, so continuing with the example I spoke about earlier, improving the smash, how did this have an overall impact on your performance? Did you achieve the targets you set yourself? And what particular drills or what particular approaches to develop performance were responsible for allowing you to make this improvement to your performance? Finally, moving on to look at outcome 3.4, that's asking for information on future development needs. What other areas in your performance do you need to improve on now that you've just achieved your previous development target, hopefully? So pupils should in this question state clearly, how can you improve your performance in the future? What areas still need to be improved? So for example, it might be, I need to improve an emotional factor such as anxiety, as during a tight game I become anxious and this has a negative impact on my performance. And if I can improve this would allow me to perform to my best or my full potential in a pressurised game situation.